Good morning, you guys. I'm going to Home Depot this morning. It is this morning. It's 9:55 because, oh my God. Oh, you guys. Okay, it's 9:59 and I'm gonna go get some drywall. A lot of y'all were saying like, I can't see it. I just can't see it. But once the drywall goes up in there and that rack comes out, y'all, if you don't see it then you definitely go see it once it's like styled for sure. I'm gonna insert a clip of the other house when I did that indoor tree house. It was an indoor tree house, but this is gonna be an indoor Lux house of Lux. That's what this is. If you guys are wondering, this is the Joe Malone Peony and Suede. I just have a small, I actually gave one away around Christmas to somebody. I selected someone in the comments and I sent it to them. But I also got one for myself so that way I can have small ones. I keep it in my purse and I keep it in the car. Right now it's freezing, so it's cold. But I just took a shower and stuff, so I'm like, my little itchy in my hand and stuff. So I'm just trying to keep warm. It's actually pretty cold, which is weird because it wasn't even cold for Christmas. But anywho, I'm really excited. Because the closet in that room is gonna get patched up. So like I said, while I'm driving to Home Depot, I'm gonna let you guys see the other ones so then you can have your ha-ha moment. You know what I'm saying? What was it? It was Eddie Murphy Coming to America, the barbershop. Ha-ha. Y'all need that ha-ha moment because y'all was like, Nadia, I love you, but I just don't see it. I don't know what's going on. I just gotta wait to the end. I'm just like, how come y'all don't see? I can see it. I see it. Oh my God, I have to reach out to Sherwin-Williams. I'm gonna be collaborating with them, so I'm really excited because I gotta paint the whole entire house. But I'm gonna paint it as I go room to room instead of trying to kill myself like I did the last time painting everything. So I'm gonna paint as I go. And then the entryway, the upstairs, the landing, all of that has to be done in bright white paint. Semi-gloss. Because I'm gonna get some work done on those walls. But you guys, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. My house. I'm gonna cut the camera off. This is the plywood area. This is where the guy came the other day to get the plywood from my closet, not my main closet, but the utility closet that I'm gonna do the conversion in. We got 2 pieces of those in order to upgrade the fireplace. I think I'm gonna remove that piece on the floor just so I can bulk up the fireplace and make it real nice and substantial, because you know Christmas gonna be popping. Not this year. Don't get excited. But I think when the wall art goes on top of that mantle, like I just want the fireplace to be a little bit more beefy. Right now it's looking a little scrimp, like a little scrimp. So I think it's gonna look really good once everything is done and all the trim goes into that. But I'm gonna cut the camera off, you guys, because we have to find some more material to get this thing underway. It looks so good.
You ain't doing that.
I know it doesn't look.
7/8, 11 and 7/8.
And what else?
Pull down 11 and 7/8 and cut it.
Oh, 11, 7, 8? Yeah.
I know it's not done, but I can see it. You say you love what?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were saying something.
No, I was trying to get me a piece there.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
I'm so excited. Well, y'all, it looks so good.
Daddy, you wow. Yeah, we get it done.
Thank you. Oh, it's so pretty.
Make it look good. So I need to put sheetrock on the face of this.
Yep.
Right there, right?
Yep.
There. So this is like a little box, little shelf.
Yeah, so that way the kids can put the pad, the phones and stuff if they want to sit in here and chill. Because what I'm thinking, you like doing this, William? Or you just do it?
Huh?
Do you like doing this?
Do I like doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right. I've been doing it for about 20 years now.
I know. I'm just asking. Some people just do something because it's work.
Yeah,
but then some people do.
Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't.
Okay.
So, all depends.
All right.
And do get aggravated, you know?
Yeah.
But if you know what you're doing.
Oh my God.
Work.
pretty. It's not even done yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you see my vision coming to life? You see my vision coming to life? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Or you just working? Ooh, guys. So let's pretend I have a sofa here. The boys just gonna put their pads in here. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Come in on. So hit this bad boy here up one more time.
You gotta hit it one more time, you said?
Yeah, I got you. You know how I work that look? I'm gonna let it dry. Get my sander, sand it out a little bit, and I'll smooth it out. And we gotta no worry about it again. They never know it's been there.
That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. Make it look like it's always been like this.
And we had some corner beans to still look nice too, you know? And I'll wrap it up.
Yeah. We'll come back though.
I'll bring some though. I got some of my other jobs I'm doing. Remind me to grab some corner beef tomorrow.
You ain't gotta worry about this floor. The floor's coming out.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming out?
Yeah, she said she got
Oh,
Yeah, all this floor's coming out, so just work.
hey, my 6-inch knife, Jane.
Don't worry about this stuff. Ooh, let's see William work. Ooh! Ooh, that thing's so pretty and smooth like butter.
Yes, ma'am.
You taking out all the carpet today or just in 2 pieces?
No, we're taking out the carpet in every room. I'll come help you.
Okay. I was just asking how much. Oh, cigarette real quick, man.
No, go ahead, go ahead. Ooh, it's like butter.
You fool.
This makes my heart so happy. You don't even understand, because I drew it. I've sketched this thing for months, so to be able to see it come into life, I'm like, yes.
Yeah, they look nice when she's done.
Huh?
They can look nice when she's done.
I love it. It looks nice now. And then when you put that mud on there, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so sexy. Yeah, this is the stuff right here that makes me happy. Seeing my sketches come to life. Dang, it looks so good. I'm gonna put niche wall everywhere. They're gonna start calling me the niche house. That's that girl with all the niche in her house. Huh?
I got to the bottom of the dry before I can pull these.
All right. Well, just do. It looks good, William. I gotta send you a picture once it's designed so you can see it. Cause I'm gonna do wallpaper. I think I'm gonna do this wall here. I think I'm gonna do it like a nice dark color and then do wallpaper the whole rest of the room. But then just do this. I might even get me
What color wallpaper you got?
something pretty. Something that I don't have to change to. Something that's neutral, possibly. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. God forbid somebody DM me and say, can I buy your house for this money? Like, babe, I got the pack. It's time to pack. It's time to go.
Yes, ma'am.
It's time to go. So, I mean, I want it to be what I want, but I also want to be seller friendly
Give me
too.
that yellow knife.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you, sweetie.
Man, this thing's so pretty.
Whew. Been a job, isn't it? I ain't not gonna lie.
Huh?
It's been a rough one.
Really?
Yeah. All these little cuts, it's the small cuts that kills you.
So next time I do a big niche, is what you're saying? Well, I appreciate you coming out, because this is This is everything to me. I'm so happy. And when I come in here, I'm gonna say, man, William did his thing. It looks so good.
Yeah. Once I hit it the last time, it is gonna look good.
Huh?
I said once I hit it again, it is gonna look good.
You gonna hit it again today, or you gonna hit it again?
No, it can't be today.
Okay. Okay. No, I'm just asking.
Huh?
No, I'm just asking. I know you said you gotta hit it 3 times, right?
Yeah.
You still didn't tell me how much. Don't give me a heart attack. And then the paint guy gonna come and sand it down. Hold it down. Oh, it looks so good. Why you keep laughing at me, William?
Yeah, not at you, bro.
Why you keep laughing at me? But you real meticulous though. I see that. Man, that thing looks so pretty.
It's dry now there. When she dry, she can be good though.
No, because I'm telling you, I'm thinking to myself, if I had a client that was doing like a fireplace or something, and I was to put like some stones inside of that piece right there, man, that'd be so nice.
You think?
Huh?
So what you gonna do again?
You said what?
I said, what you gonna do again?
Like some stone, like some small tile behind there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I see what you're
But I know this is for the kids, so I wouldn't go that far to do that. But I could see putting some tile back there and just making it real pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, William, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna let you work. I think I gotta harass you enough for today.
All right.
But let me just say, it looks amazing, and I'm so excited. When you coming again?
That's what I can do.
No, when you come, like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a week, the weekend?
It's up to you, man. I gotta see what I got going on though.
Okay.
I might be back Tuesday because I'm supposed to be finishing up tomorrow.
Okay. Tell me how much. You didn't tell me how much. Don't surprise me. I don't like no surprises, honey. It looks so good. Oh my God. I turned around. I was like, ah. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I can't wait when the wallpaper goes up, furniture goes in. I don't know how long that's going to take. And William, how tall are you?
Huh?
How tall are you?
6'2".
How you sitting here? You sitting comfortable?
Yeah, I'm good.
I don't think you'll realize how much space I opened up by knocking up the space under the stairs. It's a good bit of space.
Oh yeah?
Cause, well, look.
Oh, we're right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you fit your whole body in here real good. And you 6 foot. So like, this was a good bit of space.
You right?
It's a good bit of space. So the boards are gonna be in here real comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I'm excited for this room. If you guys wanna hire me, I'm available. Not right now though, not right now. Give me about a month. Give me about a month. I'll be available. But I'm so excited. It looks so pretty. And listen, I couldn't do this without William. And this is why I say you have to hire people that specialize in niche things. He does drywall. He specializes in drywall and mud. If he wants me to give out his phone number and his information in the description box, I will do that. If I don't leave it, he's not interested because he said he was doing me a favor. He only works part-time, he said. He said he stayed busy with bigger projects. So if he says, you know, he's interested in stuff. And he is in South Carolina. Huh?
You put me on her.
You said put you on?
I said you was talking to somebody or something?
I'm talking to my camera. But did you say to put you on?
Yeah.
You want me to put you on?
Yeah.
His information will be in the description box. Apparently, I'm putting him on. I don't know if I'm gonna put you on for real, but I will put your information down below.